Welcome to digital learning platform of Shri Guru Sudhendra College. Course BCom 4th semester. Subject Commercial Arithmetic. The topic is joint stock companies. A joint stock company is an association of a large number of persons formed for the purpose of carrying on a certain business, the profits of which are shared by them. It is registered or incorporated under the Companies Act. The capital of the company is contributed by these persons in a small units of the equal amounts called shares. The persons contributing such a capital are called the members or shareholders. The shares are generally transferable, although in the case of private companies, the right to transfer the shares is restricted. Next is share capital. The person who conceived of the idea of forming the company are called its promoters. They prepare two documents, that is Memorandum of the Association and Articles of Association. The shares may be of different kinds. First of all, what is share? The total capital of the company is divided into a number of small units of equal value is called shares. The shares of different kinds with different rights attached to each. Next is kinds of shares. According to the Companies Act, a joint stock company restricted in India can issue two kinds of shares, that is preference shares and equity shares. So first of all, what is preference shares? The holders of these shares enjoy the preferential right as regard the payment of dividend and in some cases as regards the payment of capital in the event of winding up. The rate of profit or dividend is fixed, but it is paid before the profit is distributed on equity shares. The preference shares may be of the following kinds: cumulative preference shares, non-cumulative preference shares, participating preference shares, and redeemable preference shares. And second type is equity shares. So equity shares, these shares were formerly called ordinary shares. They have no special rights attached to them in respect of dividend and repayment of the capital in the event of winding up. The holders of these shares are paid after the claims of preference shareholders are satisfied. The rate of dividend too is not fixed. It varies from year to year depending on the profits of the company. In some year they may have to go without dividend, while in other years they may get the very high rate of dividend. The rate of dividend is determined and recommended by the directors in the annual general meeting and is passed by the shareholders. Thank you.